Las Vegas Pest Control. Find a company that deserves your hard-earned money. Bugs represent numerous problems. They are health concerns, foundation concerns, even safety concerns. So finding a Las Vegas Pest Control company that immediately sets your mind to ease is well worth the hunt. You can ask around for recommendations, but keep in mind that those recommendations come with a different set of needs than yours. Here are some generalized ideas that can help you find an exterminating company that will customize their treatment to your lifestyle. For most, the top concern is cost, but what does that cost include? Be sure to have your prospective company clarify everything they will do for the price they quote. Do they treat both the exterior and the interior, or just one? Do they offer free retreatments? If so, how many? A sign of a good company is when they only charge for exterior treatments because they're confident that their products and technicians will successfully eliminate your pest problem. If it turns out that an interior treatment is needed, it's free, for as many times as it takes to get the job done. But above all, no matter what the cost, no matter which Las Vegas pest control company you hire, one thing should never be compromised: 100% satisfaction. Make sure it's guaranteed. The concern that usually comes after cost is what kind of chemicals will be used. There are really potent bug sprays that have high success rates, but all of them have one thing in common. They come with warning labels because they are dangerous. Bugs are not the only ones that have negative reactions to these harsh chemicals. Children and pets have also been known to have adverse reactions to pest treatments. Make sure the Las Vegas Pest Control company you select is also concerned for your family's health as you are. Do their products come with warning labels, or do they only use the finest, cleanest, most effective products out there, ones that don't need warning labels and are environmentally friendly? After you've decided which Las Vegas Pest Control company to go with, comes the real test. How much do they care about their customers? Do they make themselves available past regular working hours? Nobody wants to use their valuable vacation time to meet with the bug guy, and nobody wants to have to wait for a week or longer to get rid of their pest problem. A quality company will be at your house no later than 48 hours after your call, unless, of course, it's not convenient for you. They should work around your schedule and then show up on time. Another sign of a reliable company is if they have an anti-no-show policy. This means that if the technician doesn't show up within the scheduled time frame without calling prior to reschedule, then your next regular treatment is free. That's a great sign of their consideration for your time. All in all, the Las Vegas Pest Control company you choose should customize their treatments to your lifestyle. They are working for you, so they should consider your needs. You work hard for your money. Make sure they deserve it.